Alright, we're on utility services. We're on the tower, the first tower. We're transferring the line over right now, so. Get over to their spot here. Alright, we are, it is Friday, and this is the, fourth day. We've been power washing and bleaching, and we got Matlock, Lee, and Doug up there right now, as far as doing the very edge of the top. So let's look at what they're doing. Uh-oh, we got
I just ran out of gas or something, because I lost all pressure.
Matlock is hanging up.
That's your Matlock, hang on.
Matlock's hanging on there. That's scary.
That's exactly what I'm doing. Doing you up now.
Craig's getting them rolling. But this is our job site. And in the middle of the woods. Got our stages set up. We got two now. We got one over here. And then we got one right there now. Craig's keeping them going on the ground. And then we got all the support sprayed, but this one over here. And then of course we still got the belly to do. We got that walkboard up, and then we're gonna stage up and maneuver around the belly. And 120 feet in the air, and this guy is leaning back on it, trusting the equipment. Trying to do this belly. It's huge. This is Monday the 5th, I think, and we've sprayed the belly, got as clean as we can get it. And Lee's up in the basket right now, coming down. Alright, we got Matlock. Today is Tuesday. We are coating the belly and the supports. Craig's going up on the chairlift, which is scary as hell. And Matlock is doing the ladder. So they're coating that. I gotta hold him by this rope here. Let's go in on Craig a little bit, see what's up. Doug, he's doing the middle. The whole shaft is completed. Craig's moving rigging right now. Still got to do the, we're coating the belly and the supports. Nice and sunny. It's probably 50 something degrees right now. All right, we're moving, and we got our washboards coming tomorrow, so we'll be good on that. So we're about to be in better shape as far as the speed of coating the towers. So we're doing all right. All right. Today is Friday, and we are on tower number 3. One more to go after this one. We got everybody on top. We started the underbelly first and the legs. I mean, we already got the very top of the tower sprayed, but now we're doing the underbelly and the legs at the same time, which is speeding up the process 200, at least 200%. So let's see what they're doing. All right, first day, Will is right there, and he has finally got on the walkboards. At 90 feet up, it is scary as hell. And this area right here is a little more open. water treatment facility. It's a tank, pulls out all the impurities out of the well. And all the transformers, trailer, I don't know, communications, and industrial park. This is industrial park, so. Okay, today is Saturday, and we are on the coating stage.
I gotta move him around his leg.
It took us 4 days to power wash and bleach this whole thing. We got Craig, he's over here somewhere. Where is he? There he is, right there. And then we got Doug double strapped in, Mallock's doing the catwalk, and then Lee's all the way up top doing the top. So we got 1, 2, 3 stages going at one time. Actually 4, because Craig's over here on the catwalk. He's doing the railing. So we got a good system down. That ladder, being able to maneuver and move, is making the work 10 times faster. Alright, we're on Smith Street and we are finally done with the belly. There's Clint walking on the board and Brett 90 feet up. We got a rig, sandblasting, and a blast pot. Okay, we're in Mississippi, and I pray to God y'all never have to do this, but somebody's got to do it. And it's just scary, man. God, every time you come up here, you feel like that instinct where you feel like you're gonna fall is there all day, every second you're up here. But this is the tank. That's the floor. That's the ground. That's 110 feet down, and we can kind of get an idea by here. Let's go look at Will. He's climbing right now. Very intimidating. Yeah, see, he's all the way down there. So this just gives you a good idea. Yeah, see how far he is? He looks like a little dot, and he's still 30 feet off the ground. Just working his way down. Double strapped in, double lanyard, OSHA approved. And you come up on the catwalk and you still got this elevated height here. You got to go up, way up there. It's way up. If everything else worked out pretty good, but this job dragged on a little bit, killed us. Everything looks good though. Everything's nice and coated, and they estimated, 12 5-gallon kits, 50, 60 gallons, but I've already burnt through 85 gallons and I'm not even done yet. This lattice style with these rivets right here, and crevice corrosion here, all these crevices, and just fabrication flaws, basically not set up for corrosion control at all back in those days. The integrity of this tank is pretty good shape. We've done a lot of remedial work, SP1, 2, and 3, all over the soffit here. All over the soffit, man. We spent days. We probably spent a week grinding and solvent cleaning, and just, you can see all the areas where we primed it for the primary protective coating. UV protection. This is a acrylic latex industrial Tenemic product, UV protection. It's a good coating. as far as the properties that it has. It's the dry fall. You know, the dry fall, it worked pretty good, but it still drips. The big drips, see the area right there, just the drips down there, just those kind of fuse to the concrete, so they'll come up once we're done. That was the other tank we did right there across town. Looks good, nice and shiny. And we went over, there's one way over there, but we didn't do that one. We did, well, actually, yeah, we did. Yeah, okay. There's one way out there. That's probably 10 miles that way. This one's looks like, where is it? Oh, there it is. No, that was the other one. That one and that one right there. Industrial Park and Elm Street. Elm Street Industrial Park tank. Those two came out really good. It's this one right here just fought us all the way. The brackets look good. You know, the style of the bracketing. We did all this down here is completed. It looks really good. Nice and shiny, nice and white. We should be done today. It looks like the way it's going right now, we should be done. We should be done this afternoon. It should go pretty fast as far as the spraying. We got to spray the catwalk, obviously, and the ladder support and the ladder going down, and then we're out of here. Other than that, everything's good on this job, and definitely everybody's ready to go and change up. But the 100,000 gallon tank took us 85 gallons to coat it, and that's 9 to 12 mil coating application with the sprayer. Even if you rolled or brushed, it would still be at 9 to 12 mils. I don't care what you do. There's too many rivets, too many crevices, too many defects in the fabrication process as far as the lattice style going down. So just plan on 20 gallons per leg. 20 gallons per leg, and it takes about 30 gallons per section. And that's 2 supports, X bracing, and horizontal bracing. It takes about 6 kits to get down. So we can go off that judgment call right there on the next tower.